Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I have a ton of awesome content coming up, as well as I'm going to be giving away a rug with one of my favorite rug brands. So definitely head on over to my Instagram and follow me if you haven't already, because there's going to be some really big giveaways coming up. Might even potentially be giving away another sofa within the next few months. So there's just a ton of awesome stuff. Yeah, so definitely make sure you're following me over there and liking my photos and looking at the stories and stuff so you are all caught up and up to date with everything. But yeah, super exciting stuff coming up within the next few months, which I'm just so excited about. Also super excited about today's video. We're doing another What's New at Ikea. There's some more awesome things that have been added to the site that I definitely think you guys will enjoy. As always, I will have the links for you guys in the description box down below for you to check out. And without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, the first thing that I saw that I'm absolutely in love with, that I absolutely need for myself, this is a elevated chopping board. These are perfect. They're amazing because when you're chopping like your fruits and veggies, you can put a dish under them and you can actually just like use the knife to like put all the cut veggies and fruit directly into their container underneath it. It's just so much easier to use other than the traditional cutting board. I love these. I really like this one. Again, it's Ikea, so you know it's gonna be a good price, and if you can find this in stock, I would definitely recommend picking it up. All right, next is something that I absolutely love, and that is a faux birds of paradise plant. I always say this, but if you're new to plants and stuff, I would not recommend a birds of paradise. They're super hard to take care of indoors. I find they're really finicky about certain things like climate and sunlight. So I always like to have a faux one. You guys know I absolutely love the one from Amazon. I'll link it down below because that one's like my all-time favorite. I think it's perfect. Ikea came out with this one that is their own version. Still looks pretty good. However, I know for a fact that the Amazon one is like top notch and I absolutely love it. I literally kid you not that I keep 2 backups of that faux Amazon tree. That's how much I love it, just so I have them like whenever I need it. All right, next thing that I already ordered, can't wait for them to come in. This is exactly what I was looking for, and this is just an artificial spray. It's perfect for an entryway, and I'm redoing my entryway right now, so I needed something like that. And I was gonna go with like some real flowers and replace them every week, but I just realized with my schedule that's not always practical to pick up like new fresh flowers every week. So I wanted to have something like this as a backup for any time that I don't pick up those fresh floral arrangements. So this is perfect to put in like a large clear glass vase and just have at your entryway. Looks very high end. Next are these perfect storage baskets. I need these for my bathroom. They're just so easy to use for storing like larger things like extra toiletries in the bathroom and stuff like that. So I picked up a few of these and I think they're gonna fit perfect like under my sink, like for organization, because I do have a few shelves under there. But these are just perfect. These would even look cute, like honestly on a console right here. Like I could have the candle in a little container burning and like my coasters and like kind of like organize everything even on a coffee table. So just a great piece to have if you want to stay organized. All right, the next thing that I saw is this mirror with a shelf. These are like the perfect minimal, aesthetically pleasing mirror that Ikea does so well. This is a newer version of it. I love the fact that it has a shelf. And I also love how they have it styled here in a bathroom where they're using them as the actual bathroom vanity mirrors. These are perfect. Again, super affordable option if you are gonna use them for a vanity mirror. Definitely look at Ikea if you're in the market for like a vanity mirror for your bathroom, because you can seriously save a lot of money in that department. Buying mirrors like this, even places like Amazon, tend to be a little bit more expensive. So I love that option. I love the fact that it's black and it's just like perfect. If the black doesn't work for you, again, you can easily like spray paint these as well. All right, next up is this decorative bowl. Now again, I think that this would be perfect a couple different ways. I personally would love this like on a dining table, but also I could have used this on my coffee table and like put all of my coasters in it and my candle accessories. There's just a few different things that you can do with it. I think it looks very expensive, but of course it came from Ikea, so you're not breaking the bank. Just a good item to have and like keep around. Again, I could have it on my console right here and kind of have like my candle in it and style it that way as well. There's just a bunch of stuff you can do with the decorative bowl like this. All right, and then I wanted to share this vase again because when I shared it in my last video, it was sold out, and it seems to be back in stock, at least in my area. And I finally actually saw this vase in person. Let me just tell you guys, this vase is absolutely gorgeous. It looks super, super expensive. It literally looks like it came from like a really expensive store, like Restoration Hardware or Crate and Barrel. The detail on it is phenomenal. I already ordered a couple of them. I'm not gonna lie, I ordered a few of them. Mainly because I'm clumsy, but also I like to keep really nice products like this on hand for clients. So just so I have them ready and in stock in case they go out of stock, I like to have a few backups. So highly would recommend picking up that piece. Definitely a good option. Okay, they came out with this pendant lamp and I just love how unique and different it is. I feel like pendant lamps can be a little bit repetitive and I feel like people tend to like use the same pendant lamps from Ikea, but this one is just like a little different. Like I love how Scandinavian it is and I think it would fit in really nicely. It's still super minimal, but it has like that expensive high-end vibe to it. So if you're in the market for a pendant lamp, this would be perfect over a dining table or even in your bedroom over your bed. All right, next up is this table lamp and I'm including it in here because I was literally about to purchase something so similar from Crate and Barrel and they were literally $100 each. These are not $100 because they are from Ikea. Super affordable. I ended up going with 2 of these instead and they're gonna be perfect. I love, love, love the shape of the lampshade on these. Again, very high-end looking for a budget-friendly price. So if you're in the market for some table lamps, these are perfect. All right, I mentioned in one of my last videos that I'm working on my outdoor space and it is turning out so nice. Like I didn't even like plan anything this time. Usually everything's planned. I know exactly what I'm getting, but this I kind of like winged it and it's looking so good. The only thing left that I need are some outdoor dining chairs and I saw these in Ikea. I think these are gonna be the winner. Or I'm gonna show you guys another chair after this. You guys tell me which one you like better for an outdoor dining chair. I love these. I think these are great. These are a little bit cheaper too. These are like $64.99. The next chair that I'm showing you guys now, I'm in love with it. It is a little bit more expensive. However, it's a little bit more high-end looking in my opinion. It is like a woven black chair, definitely totally my style, and I think this would be perfect outdoors. I would also probably still add some sort of like pillow to it or a like pad for like the chair, just because I want it to be like not all black because I did get a darker outdoor dining table. So the woven chairs are also beautiful, and one other thing to note is they can be used indoors as well, so they could work for an indoor dining setup too. So that's kind of a good buy, I feel like, because if I don't end up using them long-term for outside, I can bring them inside kind of thing. So you guys let me know in the comments down below, which chair do you prefer? Because I'm still on the fence. I don't know which ones I should order, but I do love both of them and I think they're great options if you're in the market for some outdoor dining chairs. All right, I don't technically right now use an office chair. I like to kind of edit in my bedroom or on the sofa or even in this is like my filming and editing chair. But if I sat at a desk and I had a regular desk chair, this is beautiful. And it's like taking everything inside of me to not buy it because I know I won't really use it. But this is like the most beautiful desk chair I have seen. It is so cute. I love it. So if you guys have a desk, you guys need to replace your desk chair with this one because it's seriously so perfect. I like saw this and I was like, wow, that is like one of the best desk chairs that IKEA's ever come out with. So I would highly recommend it. Next are these magazine holders and I just love them. I love the wicker on them. They're cute. They gave me like very Studio McGee vibes. Again, another piece that you could spray paint white or black to really mix in with your decor. Definitely something to check out at Ikea if you're in the market for something like this to kind of organize your desk. Like how cute would that desk chair be with these spray painted white? Like you could have like a whole like cute little theme going on and it would look really great. All right, so that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today from what's new at Ikea. I'm sure I'll be back soon with another one of these videos. You guys love them and I absolutely love making them. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you don't miss that rug giveaway. It is coming up super soon. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!